We're here at Whiting Ranch today. Got a real late start. Google Maps sent us to the wrong direction. So here's what we see first though. It's fire danger is high today. And look, we're entering mountain lion country. There's no dogs allowed on this trail. It is a mountain bike, equestrian, and hiking trail, but mountain bikes can only go one direction. And we haven't been here in, I would say, what, close to 30 years. So we're going to enjoy this hike. I don't know how far we'll go, but we have we're going to be meeting some friends for lunch or dinner in a little bit. Hey guys, there's a nice big tree. Yeah, it's really weird to see houses up on the ridgeline. Last time we were here, there's nothing out here. Mountain lion country, which is nice. We'll keep an eye on for snakes. There's supposed to be snakes here too. I guess somebody was saying that the snakes here are crazy. Here's a stream. Really nice. It's not that deep, but it's nice. Needed water. You can definitely get some. Don't know where this water's coming from, but I do have my filter with me today. Here's another nice big tree. Gotta keep an eye out for mountain bikers. But yeah. Oh look. We have stink bug. It's always nice to see stink bugs. Okay guys, here comes a stream crossing. And we do have, there is a lot of poison oak here. There we go, our first real stream crossing. It's pretty cool. There's a lot of trails here. Here's a nice little area. It's a nice big opened area. If you had your hiking chairs and a little Trekology aluminum table, be a nice place to sit down and have lunch. Here we got a big raven right up there. It's pretty cool. And we got some woodpeckers up there. You can hear them. And some ravens. Yeah, the temperature's low 70s, but the humidity's like really high here. Yeah guys, just so you know, I am rocking my Osprey Kestrel pack, 25 pounds today, just for this hike. There's definitely a lot of houses around here now. Used to be there was nothing out here, and now the whole ridgeline, it's just houses and houses and more houses. But we're going to enjoy this hike, even though it's pretty short. Don't remember the name of the trail, but I'll get back to you on the name of the trail. But it's the main trail right out of the parking lot. They don't allow dogs. Minors must be accompanied by an adult. adults because of the mountain lion threat in the area. Here's that fungus again. It's actually a parasite. It overtakes the plant. And I did find out, yes, it can kill the plant if it overwhelms it. There's some of the pretty plants. Lots of bees. All kinds of bees. There's a bee right there. What's nice is as you're coming across these big sunny sections, come across these little shady sections, which is nice. Guys, got a question for you. This is a little different from my normal videos. If you could hike anywhere in the world, where would you hike? Leave it in the comments below. I've always wanted to hike like in Australia. Australia would be really cool. It'd be really nice if the stream was flowing. Hey guys, we've reached our turnaround point. We've got about a mile in. We ran out of time. Again, we got a really late start getting here. Google Maps sent us to the wrong entrance. So we're going to turn around here, but we will definitely come back. It's a very beautiful place. And we did spot some kind of large mammal up on this hill over here. It's either a coyote or a bobcat. Keeping our eye out for them. Hey guys, we're at the end of, back to the trailhead. If you like what you've seen, just please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you again later.